In this video, let me show you how you can add Landbank account for AdSense. First, open your Google AdSense account. After that, tap on the Payments section, and then once you tap on it, the menu will expand, and you will see Payment Info and Verification options. After that, click on Payment Info, and then wait for the page to load. Now, once you're in the Payment Info section, look for Manage Payment Methods, and then tap on it. After that, you will see the list of bank accounts you've already added. Now, if you need to add a new bank, tap on Add Payment Method. After that, you will need to select your preferred payment method. Now choose wire transfer. Next, enter Landbank of the Philippines, making sure it matches the name on your bank account. Enter your bank account information, click Confirm, and Continue, and there you go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.